maybe. Oh, come on, quit stabbing. I'll just do a 5, who cares? Yeah, I might stab anyway. Can I get... At least it didn't stab. I want to go for his head, but it's just going to keep stabbing the body. I hate it when people leave things and they just leave, and then I have to play for it. If I wasn't in a public setting, I would shake it. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work.
Our in-store butchers still cut our USDA choice beef in-store daily, unlike other supermarkets. Need a special cut of meat for that special occasion, or just have a question about what type of roast is best for your needs?
So I played it right, and I played this machine. I got this, and then it pumped this out right afterwards. It just went like that, and it came out. Well, this one is jammed still, but let's see if this one does anything. So I just got 2 for 75 cents. Got a 2-in-1, bro. And it didn't register. Let's go for a 4 for 2. Ah, so close. So I got 3 for 2 and a 2-in-1. So I got a 4. Got a 4 for 2 and a 2-in-1. And they're all new. This machine just paid me. So I got a dime and a quarter, so 25. I got 35 cents. The duck claw charged me $2, so what is it, 175 now to win 4? Sweet beans, I love it. I played that machine last and I didn't even win. It doesn't want to give me prizes, but it'll give me money. I'll take it. Okay, this quarter wouldn't fit in the quarter slot, and I thought, did they cheapen the price? Look at the difference here in the one on the back is the quarter I got for free. The one on the front by my thumb is the quarter, and then it looks a bit bigger. I've never seen this. This is $1. Did I get $1.10 from this machine? So that means the duck claw only cost me $1. Technically, because I got my buck back. No, I'll give you a play here. This machine usually pumps out multiple balls. It's gonna make me look like a liar now. And there you have it. This machine hasn't been making all my my videos because it'd be on here all the time. Oh my gosh, look, I just got a 12. I've never seen that ball before. Let's keep doing this. There you go. So I got 3, 4, 5 for a quarter, or no, yeah, 50 cents, huh? Just got 2 more. This is not clickbait. This is nuts. This is one mystery bag right there. 3, 6. I got 8 for 50 cents. Got a 2-ball screwball. I'm actually laughing in public right now. People all over. Look, I got a butterfly ball and a 7. My dad said I'll probably need a bag. Like, this has all the numbers on it. I'm not even trying to do that. Got 2 more balls here. These are my balls, bruh. This machine has given me 23 before in one slot. You just keep playing until it's done throwing up, I guess. You know, like when you vomit and it just keeps on happening. At this point, it's gonna start dry heaving. Oh, what the heck? There's a ball in here. That's first. You don't see balls in a ball machine ever. There's people there, but I don't really care anymore. I'm literally laughing. This machine is like the Easter Bunny if it actually gave you prizes. Okay, I'm sorry. I actually have an Easter Bunny suit. When you go to a vending machine, just fidget. But the thing is, these machines, I give toys to kids, so they thought they'd do me some deals. That's all it is. It's a handshake deal, and I just got $1. I got paid $1.10. Forgot I have these ducks here. It took me an hour to get all my balls. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I got 15 for 50 cents, bro. 15. Dude, I just so you know, this is the same day I walk up to a free try. That kid who was standing here must have put in $1. Or, no, he put in 2. What? Or did he play and it didn't reg? I don't know, but I literally just won 500 balls for... Gee, I didn't have to play this duck claw. I should have waited. I just won 500 balls for one try, and in that time, it took me so long, they plug in a free try. So now I'm playing for free, because this is insane. This is gonna go with those ducks. Will it reg though? That's the problem. It did, hot dang. So a free duck and it did register. I always dig around, make sure there's no free in here. It's happened. And there you have it. A free duck, a 2-in-1. It didn't register. 4 for 2. 15 for 50 cents. I'm loving it. I need to play the big machine. Forgot to play the big vending machine, guys.